Selamat malam semuanya, balik lagi bareng Anang Bidik di sini dan kita akan bermain game Gears 5 guys. Bersama anak gua si Boy Bidik, mana?
Halo guys.
Dan si Pajar Fis.
Halo guys.
Oke, kita akan langsung aja guys ya. Ini kita levelnya di atas beginner. Oke.
Intermediate.
Kita langsung start game. Let's go, Gears 5. Dimulai. Wah, keren ini. Oke, masih loading. X1 shoot in the dark. Kita menembak di kegelapan. Kita aja, Pajar, kita aja yang nembak. Ya enggak? Dia kerjanya nyentrum doang.
Sama ambil barang. Lumayan mahal. Tapi serumannya lumayan. 5 detik tuh.
Waduh, lama juga ya. Nanti mau di skip nggak sih
Apanya?
gamenya?
Previously on Gears.
Oh, nggak bisa.
Kalian udah masuk nggak?
Udah.
Ini udah masuk kok.
Udah
Wah,
masuk.
Wah, saya belum.
kamu kan PC jadul. Gak usah dipencet-pencet, biar aja. Wah, kita ada di dunia robot sekarang ya.
Had power in weeks. We need this fabricator.
I don't care about the goddamn fabricator. You're taking my people.
Oh, cik,
Taking
my
my
people.
people.
Short version, the cop is on his way.
Oh,
You promised me you could steal that fabricator without provoking Jin.
This has nothing to do with the fabricator.
Then what did you do?
Jin accused us of
ini karakter
taking
utama
her
yang mana ya, Jar?
Yeah, whatever that means.
Loading
Get the
berapa?
fabricator to the power station and install the inverter. You realize Jin's
Ekspresinya
really
kurang.
dark, right?
Hah?
We need to leave.
Ekspresinya kurang.
Unreal Engine lah ini.
You need to hide and then you need to run.
Wah, apa itu? Besar banget. Waduh,
Waduh, masuknya.
oh mamanya. Wah,
Mengorbankan
ditangkap.
diri mamanya.
Mengorbankan diri ya?
Look, you know as well as I do that he can help.
Loading nih bos, senggol.
Village was attacked.
And my mother was
Kok masih loading sih?
Taken. Dad,
Fisik
you should look
kentang.
at this.
Ya Allah.
Si fisik kentang loading.
Shit. Guys? Thought you said you weren't running from the car. Yeah, that wasn't completely accurate.
Heng.
We need to get through that fort to the abandoned hospital line.
Kamu pencet-pencet.
Ready guys.
Car dumped a few thousand
Wah,
in there after the war. If
Waduh.
it's swarms related to the grubs,
ini keren nih.
find out there.
Wih, apa itu?
Udah perang apa?
Belum.
Belum masuk kak.
Waduh, apa ini ya? Kayak kelajengking ya?
And what if we can't?
Then,
Lu jangan berisik, boy.
guess we're all.
Ini siapa yang nge-skip sih?
Siapa nge-skip?
Wih, masuk aing. Ih. Waduh.
Siapa yang nge-skip?
Kagak tahu.
Wih.
Wah, ini skip aja ya?
Ya
Pencet
skip
apa?
aja.
Perkenalan doang ini. Ah, ini dia nih.
Ya,
Skip.
mulai.
Ini. Oh, ini karakternya.
Fight.
Ini gua nih.
Kate is not ready for this.
Del.
She can barely keep her eyes open.
Bukan GB. GD.
Don't worry about her. She'll be ready.
Lu mana weh? Hei.
Wah.
Hey, we're almost at base coordinates.
Wah, suaranya delay.
Welcome to his
Support nggak ada bang.
Hah?
Support nggak ada di film ini.
Support apa sih?
Robot support.
Wah, ini apa nih?
When's the last time you slept?
Udah pada training kan ya?
Last night, got a good 8 or 9 minutes. in.
Nightmares.
Nightmares. Oh, Marcus Horizon,
Does it get better?
kiper Indonesia.
It gets tolerable.
Tolerable.
Suara kecepatan pijinya di.
Oh, apa ini sumur? Lubang.
All right, let's see what we got.
Yang Jide siapa sih? Oh, gua Jide ya? Waduh. Epic grafik ini. Wah. Ini ya game tahun 2019 begini ya. Siapa yang pakai cewek?
Gak ada.
Gak ada.
So who's jumping first?
Siapa yang lompat duluan?
Don't, I'm fine, okay?
Sure you are.
Ini Del.
Oh, shit.
Del yang hitam ya?
Ya.
Thanks, Del.
Aing robot.
Sam, we're outgoing.
Oke, kita akan meluncur ke bawah guys.
Roger that.
Wah, keren.
Hey, Dave, coming?
Wah, ini nih si boy nih.
Wah, kok videonya kalian duluan sih?
Hah?
All right,
Ada apa-apa lah.
Control, we're going in.
Gak usah
Pencet
protes
gue, Bang.
gua.
Ini ada apa itu loh? Suaranya duluan.
Oh, bisa digerakin juga.
We're
Wah.
already breaking enough of them as it is.
Coba lepas W, Bang.
Jin doesn't know won't hurt her.
Coba lepas W. Oh, itu. Ketinggalan.
Wah. Keren sih ini.
Tell us where to go, Control.
I'll do my best, but remember, no one's been in that facility for like 25 years.
Wah, itu tuh jalan tuh.
Yeah, that's pretty evident.
You're not there to buy a timeshare. You're there to
Ajar lu yang mana sih?
work on prototypes.
Nih yang lari nih.
And your intel says one of the
Nih ya,
silos
di depan abang ya?
right?
Ya, yang lari.
Yeah, as
Oh,
far as
kagak ada
mantap.
namanya. Itu salto gimana sih?
he'll handle the
Double space.
Hah?
Nyangkut dalam gunung.
Apa sih? Jar, dia masuk dalam batu, Jar. Hei, Jar, tunggu dulu, Jar. Lu di mana, boy? masuk dalam batu.
Ngebak ah. Oh, ngebak ah. Oh iya. Pencet shift, Bang, mau lihat teman.
Ini gimana yang ngeluarinnya?
Di granite.
Gak bisa nembak.
Di granite. Coba dapat keluar lagi dari batu tadi.
Gimana?
Throwing frag.
Oh iya. Berani kan?
Gak bisa.
Sini. Ini nih.
Nah, itu tuh dia tuh. Lu ngapain sih ke situ-situ, boy?
Gak tahu. Dia ngebak sendiri loh.
Astaga. Masa kita ngulang lagi sih? Boy,
Help.
coba terbang ke atas.
Gimana?
Ya kagak tahu.
Gak bisa dong.
Jar, lu salto gimana sih?
Double space.
Kenapa coba?
Aduh,
Sini,
ngulang
Boy.
lagi, Bang.
Hah?
Ngulang lagi udah.
Enggak, dia aja. Dia out dulu baru join.
Ah, coba. Oh, kita sambil maju yuk.
Oke. Nah, udah naik dia tuh. Ah, itu robot.
Mana?
Lah.
Mana nggak ada?
Tuh di bawah tanah dia. Oh, kita jalan dulu ya.
Oh, ini udah naik tuh.
Mana?
Tuh. Nih, udah normal.
Kenapa pas udah keluar baru naik dia?
Ya kan auto.
Ayo join, boy.
Bentar loading.
Sini, follow me. Ah, udah bisa nembak kita.
Dave, light.
Thanks for lighting the way, buddy.
Sana kemana sih?
It's a big locust burial site in this island. It
hatch.
Wah, wah, wah.
We're gonna be waist deep in swarm.
Oh, Dave nih.
Hey, get back!
Waduh, waduh, runtuh. Awas, mundur.
Santai.
Need to search a place that's falling apart.
Oke, maju kita, maju.
Quickly.
Oh, bisa lari ya?
Come on, we can use the ledge.
Garrett's plan to launch a satellite.
Oh, lu yang jadi kapten,
Seems
Jar?
a little
Ya dong.
baked.
Well, half-baked plans
Hey,
are
hey.
kind of Baird's specialty.
Our bears even figured out they had a hammer.
Bisa ya?
My father, before he died, he let Baird in on a few cog secrets. And this island, it has plenty of them.
Sini,
Didn't
Jar.
expect there still be bodies.
Oh, ini ada
Only a
mayat
handful
nih.
of us made it off Azura alive.
Ini gimana? Deploying berapa tuh?
Hah?
Deploying.
Hah?
Deploying.
Gak tahu. Oh, dapat peluru lumayan.
Chainsaw time.
Oh, join dah pak.
Ini apa nih? Azura.
Dapat join.
Wah, pinter. R ya, Jar.
Okay, we're through.
Yo, ini loading pelan.
Lu kalau belum join gak usah banyak ngomong. Wah. Wah, grafiknya epic, guys. Ada suara,
Guess
Jar.
who?
Eh,
Dave,
Pencet
send
deh.
a pulse and let's see what we're dealing with.
Tahan, Bang. Di mana?
There they are.
Oh, ini di depan nih musuh nih. Keras banget loh.
dia langsung maju.
Megang senjata loh kaliannya.
Iya. Kepala, headshot. Boy, lu jangan sok-sokan maju terus.
More drone!
Nah, bom aja dulu, bom.
Nah, kan
Wah, ada peluru. Awas, boy.
Alright, that's all of them.
Habis.
Baird?
Ambil di bangkai mereka tuh ada peluru tuh.
Sights active.
ya.
Ada senjata juga.
Okay,
Ah, jelek
condors in
senjatanya.
the air. Let me know if you need reinforcements.
Jelek kan.
We get it handled for now. Delta out. Come on, we gotta find one.
Boy,
of
lu
those
cari
cells.
jalan, boy.
Won't have to rip them all apart.
Hey, I think we can get down this way.
Reload. Ayo,
Ini dibantu nih apa?
yang cowok pemalas di belakang. Astaga.
Sorry.
Bantuin, boy.
Okay, these headaches.
Papa jadi apa?
I'm okay, alright?
Papa
Let's just find
jadi.
a silo.
Gue yang mana sih, Jar?
Yang kiri nih.
For the record,
Iya, namanya.
you don't seem okay.
Kait.
Oke.
JD.
Wah. Ayo.
There's too many active hives. Everywhere we go, another burial site's hatched.
All the more reason to get the hammer gone alive.
Let's
Pencet
hope
deh.
the chainsaw
Ada musuh
is
kah?
okay.
Nggak ada. Oh, belok ke. Waduh. Gede. Waduh, besar. Boy, lu jangan deket-deket lo.
Dikejar. Kena mulu. Sakit banget.
Salah. Mana sih musuhnya?
Udah mati yang bener.
Bentar, reload dulu.
Boy, jangan maju terus, boy.
Dia nggak bisa jarak jauh, Jar. Waduh. Si boy malah menghalang. Ayo, gas. Siapa tuh Kang Otu? Siapa tuh? Aduh, peluru udah nipis nih. Astaga, si Boy maju terus dia.
All right, we got them all.
Dia masuk ke dalam sini.
Guys,
Enggak, ini ada peluru nih.
silo. Bear, we found one of the
Dapat
silos.
granat satu, dapat peluru launcher, sip.
Two more. One of them still
Itu
operating.
tempat apaan sih?
Hope you're right. We ended the war
Sini,
once
sini,
on this
sini, sini.
island. When we get this hammer satellite up, we can do it again.
That's the idea, old pal. Control out.
Sini, nih jalannya nih.
Awas, awas.
Mantap, mantap. Keren. Wah, ini jijik banget ya. Kayak usus ya. Lu ngapain, Boy?
Ngapain?
So, straight's not an option. But rocket base is even left.
Let's find out.
Keren.
You guys go right, Marcus and I'll go left. We'll find those silos.
Sounds good. Stay in contact.
Stay in con.
You sure about this?
Tinggal kita bertiga ini ya.
You got a better idea?
Ayo. Nih.
Mau senjata nggak?
Go! Hatch! Jump down.
Ini loh, senjata lancar.
Lu cariin peluru aja, Boy.
Tuh.
Oh, gelap banget. Center, Boy. Center, Boy.
Looks like some kind of an
Udah.
exhaust.
Auto lighting.
Is it from a silence?
Only one way to find out. Juby!
Ini yang namanya shoot in the dark ini. Reload. Aduh, makin deket dia. Mana sih? Nggak nampak.
Maju bro.
Where'd it go? Are there more? Just keep pushing out.
Boy ini senternya loh. Senterin aja Boy.
Pakai pisau mantep. Tapi cepet luka. Waduh. Grenade. Waduh.
Double space bang ke belakang bang. Sampai mundur. Senternya kemana sih? Matiin belakangnya.
Peluru mau habis. Awas. Bom.
Okay, it's all over.
Seriusan nih peluru mau habis nih. Boy, lu cari peluru, Boy.
Depan nih, ada apa nih?
Take that.
Lumayan.
Cari peluru dong. Mana?
Alright, looks like this sluice gate's our way out.
Sip. Ini diapain sih? Ada lambang apa sih ini? Itu lu, Boy. Itu lu tuh.
Diapain?
Setrum. Coba deh lu setrum. Bisa nggak?
Man, you know what? If they want to turn this place into a hive,
Hmm?
let them. It's an isolated island hundreds of miles from shore.
Let's just make sure that happens after we leave.
Keren.
Ini hindar bang. Hindar. Pencet S-nya ngerem. Udah gitu
Awas,
lagi.
Jar. Awas itu bom, Jar.
What's down here?
Ini gimana?
Nunduk apa
Awas.
sih?
Awas, double.
Kita
Gantian.
nggak diajarin nunduk ya?
Under here. Man, we got company.
Gak diajak nunduk.
Habib. Wah.
Langsung
Ini
perang
kasih-
aja.
kasih bom apa gimana sih?
Grenade dulu.
Itu
Oh,
teman
ini
kita
ada.
di atas sana tuh.
Iya, temen ngapor.
Grenade ya?
I see you.
We can provide support from up here.
Nggak punya.
Bentar.
Just tell us who to target.
Tuh udah, itu. Boy duluan tuh. Ikutin robot. Petunjuk robotnya tuh.
Come here.
Wah, ini yang di training nih. Wih. Langsung ambil dong senjatanya dong.
Apa gimana, Pak?
Put this to
Boom shoot. Lambat banget senjata ini.
Toss the fray! Close it up!
Waduh, waduh, darah. Sekarat, help.
Ah, champion!
Nah, sip. Pelurunya dulu.
Ih, apa nih ngeledak nih?
I'll take that.
Kalau nembak lo
Waduh. Rubuh.
ada apa?
Mana lagi mereka? Oh, di atas. Berarti lo. Kita kemana sih? Banyak banget lancar.
Take your aim.
Nah,
Just what I needed.
Ini bos.
bos apa itu?
Awas meledak Bang.
Wah, siapa itu?
Kelek dong.
Bentar.
Aduh, jelek senjatanya nih. Mana lancar tadi ya?
Kok senjatanya nggak kenal?
Makanya pakai setruman dong. Woi, noob. Dasar noob.
Ayo maju, Jar.
Oh, ada bayinya.
Emang barbar si boy ya. Ayo naik sini.
Ledakin dulu balonnya banyak.
You two push ahead.
Gak usah, nanti keluar lagi. Ajar.
Kok udah kena ya ditembakin?
Jauh.
Ada pelurunya masuk loh dong.
Wah, pingkong.
Take it out! Drone now! We can use those reinforcements!
Santai.
Cargo's almost within range, Delta.
Ayo ajar.
Okay, kid, reinforcements incoming. I've got Guardians from your
Pingkong
squad. What do you want?
Dropping some DR1s!
You got it.
Wah, banyak anaknya boy. Awas. Ada anaknya tuh. Menghindar. Ayo gas terus. Awas dia ngeluarin anak tuh.
Let's just my luck.
Nah, kita santai aja ya. Kita nonton. Serang.
Menghindar.
Pak, tapi nonton deh, Pak.
Wah, ada teman kita datang.
Menang.
Siapa itu pro player beledar?
Ya, baru juga ngeluarin senjata cakep.
Hey, Control, that carrier's down. Thanks for the help.
Kalian siapa?
You secure the area. Hey. With us. Let's go.
Ambil dulu nih, peluru lancar nih.
Pak, pengennya nembak.
Ayo, Jar. Lari.
Nope, locked. We'll have to find another way
Bang.
to open it.
Senjatanya 2 nih aja kah?
Hah?
Sniper nggak ada kah?
Itu yang dipegang robot itu.
Belum dapat kali. Boy, lu buka itu, Boy.
Ini loh pencet.
Nggak bisa.
Active Rocket Studio. Hah? Mana nih?
Bot intrek. Oh,
Iya itu boy tadi masuk. Nah kan.
Lah,
Lagi.
mau siapa? Nggak bisa gerak. Oh. Lah,
Lagi boy.
Bentar. Pos bentar ya.
nggak bisa gerak, Pak. Nggak bisa gerak.
Ini nah, kameranya. Kameranya itu. Ya, kameranya hilang. Kameranya error guys. Lanjut ya.
Ya.
Jar.
Gas.
Gas. Ayo. Nih, nggak bisa gerak.
Kemana?
Oh, Delta.
Ya bentar memang kayak gitu filmnya.
Kok gelap banget ya?
Top secret
Belum
stuff.
ada lighting.
As
Masih
far as I
boy
know,
masih di
he's
sebelah.
opening a door.
He's doing a lot more than that.
Well, either way, the door's Thanks, Dave.
Naik.
Apa ini?
So,
Apa
that
ini?
data Dave just
Peluru bang.
downloaded, there's a big hole
Nggak bisa, penuh.
clearance.
How does this relate to our mission?
It doesn't.
Aduh, banyak
but
harta
now I
karun
need
di
to
dalam
know.
sana.
I'm guessing whatever's
Ada senjata
missing
kah?
was pulled from the network.
Perlu senjata loh
We
ya.
have the authority to do that.
Back then, only the facility commander. Find his office and poke
P itu
around.
buat apa sih?
Okay.
T itu buat itu
Straight.
ya
Oh,
buat
kok
sekitar.
abang nggak
lihat
bisa ya?
sekitar. Bisa lah. Tahan T.
Nggak
T-nya
bisa.
ditahan. Ini apa ini? Dapat jam loh.
Ih, bagus Alexander Christie.
Oh, come on now. That's just me.
Ya tolong dong,
manja. Wah,
sesat
ada
ini
pistol nih.
sesat.
Apa? Apa mana?
Jar lu di mana Jar?
Pencet sip aja kalau melihat teman. Lagi
Apa
looting.
granat kah?
Akses Commander Office. Boy, bisa masuk ke dalam sini nggak sih?
Mang, granat, Mang.
Boy, temenin papa sini, Boy. Boy, temenin papa sini. Papa nggak lihat apa-apa, Boy.
Found something here.
Haha, aduh penuh. Waduh. Bom, yes. Akhirnya kita dapat bom.
Oh ini
senjata.
senjatanya. Wah sama
Lancar.
aja retro.
Temennya ngelihatnya. Cuman bisa nyetrum.
Nah, ini dah.
All right, let's find that office.
Boleh lah. Main sakit loh seteruannya. Berapa hukul turu Apa meledak?
Amang yang lempar granat.
Access the
hidup
Commander
lampunya.
Office. Sini Jar.
Hey friend,
Bentar.
what you doing man?
Ah, ini dia nih jalannya nih.
Hey yo.
Aduh, big boss.
DB,
Alah ini. Hey, wait, come on.
damn it! Denise, you just fucked up backup!
Waduh,
Awas tuh.
waduh.
Awas senjatanya sakit.
Aing defense.
Bentar.
Aing. Ah, tuh.
Kuat banget ya.
Bisa tuh.
Dia tuh melempar apa sih?
Itu senjatanya loh.
Waduh. Kabur lu.
Wah, mati dong.
Kenapa?
Wah, mati.
Kemana sih boy?
Hah?
Oh, berarti nggak boleh ada yang mati ya?
Gak boleh.
Oke lah, kita reload dari checkpoint terakhir.
Masa? Bisa kah?
Bisa.
Berarti kan nggak boleh mati ya?
Iya. Ayo.
Dari sini dong.
Tunggu dia di depan itu ya. Baru ditembak.
Tapi aku nggak boleh ngapain nih?
Jangan terlalu dekat ke sana.
Ngapain namanya?
Diddy, we just lost our backup.
Awas, hati-hati.
Banget sih gitu doang bisa.
Naik ke atas. Help. Help. Tolong bang.
Bentar. Ini yang kecil-kecil nih, dilihat bang. Sambil spasinya mainkan lah, double jamnya. Hindar. Aduh, kena terus ya.
Aduh, mati lagi. Help me.
Di mana? Jangan nyendiri bang. Terlalu jauh solo.
I'm down.
Nah, ada musuh lagi di belakang. Awas.
Naik kita naik.
Mereka nggak bisa lihat apa.
Mereka naik nih.
Throwing frag.
Enak dari sini nembaknya.
Mati bosnya. Ambil senjatanya itu bang.
Hah?
Senjatanya ambil.
Oh jelas OTW.
Wah, ini kayak aja nih.
Mana? Nggak ada senjatanya.
Looks dead to me. Ah, there.
Diddy,
Ini loh bang.
this way to the commander's office. But
Ini senjatanya.
Mana? Oh ini.
Buzki.
Ambil.
Wis, mengerikan.
Ngebeluting ah.
Elektrum nih. Lo kok nggak bisa transparan lagi ya?
Boy, lu masuk sana boy.
Bentar.
there's a door to this.
Masuk lubang itu boy.
Bentar, sabar guys.
Lu di mana?
Di bawah.
Ya lu masuk situ boy.
Bang, mainnya jangan sendiri-sendiri kayak gitu bang.
Oke.
Susah ngerekrutnya jauh.
Waduh.
Ini mainin spasinya lincahin. Kalau musuhnya di depan. Di
Mana
belakang.
bisa? Lari aja nggak bisa nih bawa senjata.
Jangan pakai yang itu.
Keren loh ini. Oh.
Nice one, Dave.
Nah ini nih. Nah.
Wah ini kode pak. Harus dianuin.
Biar blueprint. Blueprint. Emang bisa ini ya?
Blueprint ini kayak ini The Forest.
Emang kita bisa bikin-bikin?
Nggak
Kenapa?
bisa, Pak.
Di pause.
Udah.
Pengaruh ya?
Commander's office. Look around.
Ya, PC jadul banget
This
ini ya.
is a good place to stay.
Ini apa nih?
Pentium
Dava. Buka berangkas Dava.
Hah? Mana?
Ini bawahnya.
Oh ini.
Oh bisa share ammo, pencet Q bang.
Hah?
Di kayak, nah kan.
Ada komponen.
Ada apa ini?
Gotcha. Hey, Control. Good news.
Data.
We found the data drive.
Oh, itu dia aksesnya udah dapat.
Hey, know what we'd appreciate? Some backup.
Ada musuh nih kayaknya nih.
What? Where are you?
Banyak pas.
Silo, we found it. And they're
Buka
all
lah.
over us.
Ayo sini.
Shit, we're on our way.
Ayo dong transparan. Nggak bisa transparan.
Ayo.
nge-lag banget.
I'll put this to good use.
Wih, itu apa tuh? Wah,
Hmm?
ini apa?
Oh,
Nge-lag.
peluru.
Ini ke bawah ya? Bom aja dulu ya?
Nge-lag banget.
Oh, ada
Kurangin
teman.
grafik.
Ada kawan kita di depan. Ayo
Kita
bantu.
santai-santai aja ya.
Grafiknya kurangin bos.
Yeah, it's goddamn hilarious.
Ini baru
Ah, habis pelurunya.
Bang. Bang, tembak aku bang. Hei. Sablu. Bantu lah ya.
Mana lagi mana?
Bahaya.
Mantap senjata abang.
Fire in the hole!
Gimana sih senjatanya?
Memang berempat.
Kok nggak kena-kena ya?
Kan aneh kan? Dia tembus gitu loh ditembak.
Kena kok. Itu bos ya?
Bukan pak, itu kawan.
Dikit lagi, ayo. Mati ya.
All right, control room's clear.
Nice of you guys to show up.
Itu kepalanya.
Is that rocket attack?
It is, believe it or not.
Kita senjata
Find
ini.
a port for Dave to plug in.
Nah,
If it checks out, he'll
Apaan?
initiate the launch.
Senjata ini. Senjata musuh tadi. Lihat nih. Ih,
oh sini jar. Sini jar.
Honestly, we're just lucky to swarm them.
Waduh, banyak telurnya nih.
awas, ledakin dulu.
Jadi kita hancurin aja dulu ya.
Heeh.
Marcus, you know Jen pretty well. Just how angry is she gonna be with us
Good.
launching this thing?
I'd say somewhere between an ulcer and an aneurysm.
I'm okay with that.
Ini kita lewat mana sih?
Nah, peluru. Gak mau kah?
Expose
Oh, bisa.
the interface port for dev. Nah ini itu lu bawa tuh boy. Tapi kemana ya?
Kayaknya ke seberang.
Itu boy, yang ini yang merah ini interface-nya. Tapi dipasang kemana ya?
Seberang mungkin.
Let's get Dave connected to the controls.
Dia sendiri doang yang bisa nyebrang. Lagi.
Di mana?
Oh ini kayaknya nih, taruh ke sini kayaknya nih. Sudah lu bawa boy?
Dah.
Taruh sini dong. Coba.
Tunggu.
Dave's the only one who can start the
Wih,
launch.
Bisa nggak?
apa tuh?
Lu di mana boy? Oh,
Di mana caranya?
sini.
Hai! Jatuh dong.
Sini. Naruhnya di sini. Nah, ini dia nih tempatnya nih. Nah,
Mana bisa?
dipencet.
Apa?
Nah, kan?
It's all yours.
Nah,
Control, you're in. Start the launch sequence.
Pressurized. First stage. Opening silo doors.
apa ini? Roket.
Error.
Wih,
Error.
error.
We have an issue. The silo hatch. It's not opening.
Of course. I knew that seemed too easy.
Bear,
Bro.
options.
Bug out. Blast doors aren't going to protect you from an exploding rocket.
All right, then.
Kayaknya mau meledak tempat ini ya.
Hydraulic external power to on.
No! You get that hatch open.
Sistemnya error.
What?
Kid, listen to your old man. You got to get out of
Dengerin orang tua kan.
Can't do this, so let's get it done.
Ignition test commence.
Keren ini ada. Waduh.
Perang.
Dave,
Engine 1.
Oke, kabur kita, kabur. Ya kasihan yang ini ya ketinggalan ya.
Bodoh amat.
Dia mengorbankan diri.
Yeah, good luck with that. Let's get that hatch open.
Bukan ngorbanin diri bang.
Wah, itu
Ditinggalin.
What's our plan? I don't know. There's gotta be a manual override there.
Ini lewat mana?
Find our way up.
Woi, kita nih cari jalan kabur.
Awas ke kiri sana.
Hey, lower that platform.
Sini bang.
Ignition. Engine 2.
That's not good.
No, it's not. We gotta get
Nah
across
kan,
the gap.
aduh di seberang ini.
ini apa?
Aduh, gimana itu ya?
Aku mati.
Aduh, gimana itu hebatnya?
Alah. Baru mulai kok.
Oh ya. Lu jangan nyebrang boy. Gak bisa di revive. Tapi nggak ada jalan ya Jar ya?
Ada kok. Kita harus ngancurin itu bola-bola.
So what's our
baju
plan?
itu.
I don't
Nah,
know.
oh
There's
itu
gotta be a
atas
manual
tuh.
override near the top. We find our way up. Shit, we better hurry.
Oh, you think?
Kemana kita?
Ke atas.
Ke mana?
We gotta get across this gap.
Waduh. Sembunyi tuh. Boy, lu pencet itu boy. Kakak.
Ignition. Engine
Ya.
That's not good.
Sekarat. Aduh.
Shit, another gap.
Nah ini baru kebuka nih.
Ignition. Engine
How
3.
many engines does a rocket have?
Waduh.
Ya di seberang lagi.
Ignition. Engine 4.
Oh, come on.
Ya nggak bisa deh.
I'm down.
Harus dibunuh dulu mungkin itu bang.
Jangan nyebrang dulu, boy.
Disuruh papa.
Ya, dia mencet itu Jar.
Oh kita harus cover bang.
Iya kita cover.
So what's our plan? I don't know.
Sembunyi dulu.
There's gotta be a manual override near the
Di
top.
belakang sini,
Find our
belakang
way
sini.
up. Shit, we better hurry.
Oh, you think? Throwing frag.
Nanti dulu boy.
Isn't good.
Revive tolong.
We gotta get across this gap.
Nanti dulu boy.
Lower that platform.
Ignition. Engine 2.
That's not good.
No, it's not.
Ya boy, pencet boy.
Dulu.
Siapa sih yang nyerang? Oh, masih ada.
Musuh.
Ya,
Kita mati.
Buruan lu pencet.
Nggak ada perlu lagi kah?
Awas boy. Boy.
Aduh kok kamu nyebrang?
Ignition. Engine 3.
Aduh. Ya lu sembunyi dulu. Oh, hah? Bentar dulu, Boy. Jangan lu hancurin, rusak. Kabur lu, hah? Ayo,
Mau
buruan.
habis. Pencet.
Buruan.
Tuh, itu ada satu.
Bring it down, Dave.
Mana sih?
Dave,
Peluru mau
how many
habis.
engines does a rocket have?
Udah lu pencet belum?
Ignition. Engine 4.
Hah? Yang mana sih yang kebuka?
Okay, time to move.
Oh, ini
Yang
dia.
kanan lagi lah.
Nanti.
Come on, up there.
Ya naik.
Peluru sisa 40.
Coming to handle us. Not your finest idea, man. Drop one.
Jar, ambil dari bangkai mereka, Jar. Pelurunya banyak.
Gak bisa, pencet apa?
Beda senjata ya. Waduh. Ayo naik tangga, naik tangga.
Di sendiri dia.
Tuh peluru jar. Wah,
Lewat.
akhirnya. Astaga, muncul lagi. Ya, rasain lu, rasain.
Raining goddamn juvies!
Oh, roketnya itu meluncur tadi, atapnya belum kebuka. Kayak gitu. F.
In a few seconds, it won't matter.
Tuh peluru jar.
Udah.
Waduh.
Molek cuy. Wah.
Shit!
15 seconds to launch.
Gotta go!
Ayo, go.
10 seconds to
Apa?
launch.
There's no time!
Kasihan si Boy. Boy, lu korbanin diri dulu, Boy.
Jay's still out there!
Gives a shit. He's a robot.
That's not his fault!
Dia tuh hanya robot.
Gotcha!
Lift off.
Oh ya, mantap. Molek cuy. Gila sih.
Nggak, ini nggak nge-lag. Yang penting kan yang nonton nggak nge-lag.
Iya. Wih, terbangin apa nih?
Oh, masih bisa. Unbelievable.
Panas ya.
Tidak bisa
Ih, saya
dipercaya.
panas cuy. Gila sih.
Ini kenapa dia?
Dapat
Sam, ready for extraction.
Yes, detail juga ya wajahnya ya.
Iya. Pori-pori.
Apa itu achievement?
Setting profile.
Just unlocked. Achievement itu biasanya guna cuman penghargaan.
Dapat
doang.
gift ya kita ya.
Iya. Uref the launcher. Chainsaw bayonet.
Ini apa ini? Diplomasi.
Ada apa tutorial jadi robot?
Hah?
Tutorial robot.
Emang lu mau ngapain nembak?
Iya. Kan ada dua tangannya.
Pop harapan.
I hope.
Chaps.
Bapak loading ya. Gila sih.
Lu masih loading, Boy? Astaga.
Oh, udah masuk. Wih, langit doang ya.
Welcome back, kids.
Oh, kayak ini ya. Ada pagar gini ya. Kayak ini Attack on Titan.
Attack on Titan.
As I
OT.
predicted.
Katanya maju nih.
Now that she's done yelling at
Wah, ini
me,
government.
I yell at you.
Ini pemerintahnya ini.
Roger that, Control.
New Epsira.
Ada Titan World.
Fine, time to face the music.
Tempest.
Merahnya belum ada.
Oke, let's go.
Oh, ngelag-nya.
Woi, lu nge-lag kagak usah diomongin dong. Bikin malu aja lu.
Malu aja.
Setting bentar ya.
Wah, ini nih. PNS ini.
James, how about I see Jim first?
Yum.
I'll calm the storm before you brief her.
Ya, lu pilih medium aja, Boy.
Being diplomatic?
Lu grafiknya
Call
apa,
what you
Jar?
want, but we're at war, even if it doesn't
High?
feel like it yet. We all have to be on the same page.
Yang di sebelah sana kok medium? Nge-lag.
Wish
Mungkin
you'd been
harus
as
slow
willing to
kali ya?
listen back at that silo.
Hey, it worked out, didn't it?
Listen, James, word of advice.
Gak bisa minta apa-apa.
Stop trying to prove yourself. Just do the job.
Dad, I
Lakukan
took a
aja pekerjaan.
necessary risk.
Necessary means you
Oh, ini ayahnya, Bang.
that wasn't
Mbahnya.
necessary. And you know it.
Om Codet ya, Om Codet.
Ya, Markus.
What was that about?
What do you think?
Pantesan motion blur-nya
What do you think
on.
it's always about?
Hey,
Hey,
Yeah, it's just because.
you know it's just because he cares, right?
Yeah, well, you know a hell of a lot more about him caring than I would.
Okay, yeah, we're just gonna go inside. Come on, Dave.
apa sih?
That was a shitty thing to say.
Motion blur-nya on tadi, Pak.
Ya udah.
Pantesan.
Matiin lah.
I'm sorry.
Aneh.
Ih, sampai pori-porinya ya kelihatan ya.
The thing is,
Itu banyak tuh.
Robot terkeren di dunia gitu.
Udah ada plek-plek hitamnya tuh si cewek tuh. Harus pakai ini skincare.
Pakai sabun wajah men.
The data is in front of you, Damon.
What? That's it?
Goldberg.
I thought the new satellite would
Lu tau Goldberg
automatically link
gak?
to the old ones.
Pemain Smackdown.
Itu tuh.
Without regular scheduling from Telecommand, tracking
Suaranya
accuracy
mah.
degrades.
Tuh kan?
Thanks a lot,
Goldberg.
Iris.
Your vocal sentiment does not match your
Austin.
word's literal meaning. Thus, you are not
Bukan.
actually
Please stop
Austin
talking.
bukan.
So I still can't find the other Hammer of
yeah,
Dawn
Goldberg.
satellites. On the plus side, I accidentally
Triple
invented
H pakai
an AI
rambut.
that understands sarcasm.
Skip ya? Skip ya?
Skip.
you wanted.
Skip.
Maybe it'll
Gak bisa.
find lost satellites. I doubt it, but I'll take a look. Wait, hang
Oh bisa nih.
Did we do all that?
Before we begin, Damon, the combat module you brilliantly designed is now ready. My use of brilliantly was
baru dong.
intended to be
Liatin.
sarcastic.
Apa sih?
Aja.
Skin dibaikin.
You'll want to equip this new module ASAP.
Bangga loh bang jadi robot. Oh ini nih yang rusak nih, ini yang rusak nih.
Upgrade the new Jack.
Nih Dava.
Jack, what I've been
Ini yang rusak nih Dava.
it blinds.
Oh, lu dipindahin otaknya doang.
Iya, wajah sih keren.
Ini apa nih? Foto, wah.
Dapat apa nih?
Aduh.
New ability found.
Ini
Slash.
Yeay. Robot, bagian robot itu berguna.
Oh, bisa upgrade beginian ya?
Hey.
Tap. Oh, tap.
Nah,
Oh. Kok kita nggak upgrade si dia, Bang? Jar.
iya, upgrade aja sih Aing, nggak apa-apa kok. Ini aja soundnya ini ya.
Hooked up and equipped.
Nah,
Now, how do we use it?
I'll show you.
aja ya.
Over here.
Kan disuruh upgrade. Itu kan nggak bisa ya?
Okay.
Salah.
Grab a weapon and get into cover. Then we'll start the test.
Kemana sih? Grab weapon. Test Jack flash ability. Test boy. Lu kalian di mana sih?
Ini nih ada blueprint bang.
Kok abang sendirian di sini ya?
Blueprint senjata.
Oh ini.
Ini ada blueprint.
Oh, lancarnya bisa di-upgrade.
Iya dong. Gimana ya? Nge-upgrade-nya?
Ini kali nih.
Oh, ini apa lagi nih?
Hurry up and grab a weapon.
Kertas lagi.
Sini, Pak. Grab your weapon.
Ah, ini jar.
Wih di.
Now,
belakangnya apa?
get
Ah,
into
ini.
cover.
Nih senjata apa nih bang?
Hah?
Wih di.
Ini shotgun ini.
Woi,
Flash.
Pak, mulai, Pak. Aduh. Penasaran ini sama skill game.
Ini apa? Oh, dia bikin ini. Baju.
If you don't get into cover, I can't start the test.
Get into cover.
Iris, activate Alpha 331.
Tunduk Jar.
Certainly, Damon.
So, say you got a target that seems awfully comfortable behind cover. Jack's flash ability fixes that.
Test sequence.
Ditahan senjatanya bang.
Now, let's try it again with
Tapi
multiple.
lama ya?
Iris, activate Alpha 332.
Incoming, Damon.
Jack's got a
Tes Jack.
reroute power.
Nah,
for
Jack
King's
yang
flash.
tes tuh.
Once he's
Boy, lu
recharged,
boy.
hit him again.
Lu yang harus ngetes.
Hoi.
Oh, 2 for 1. Nice.
Apa sih ini Aing?
Ini senjata apaan sih?
Gak bisa nih, harus Dava yang bunuh.
Nice work. Feel free to run it again if you want.
Dah omongan.
No ya.
Test sequence complete.
No offense,
selesai.
JD, but Jack's my new best friend.
I'm very happy
Kok
for
belum?
both of you. But now I need you to return your weapons to the weapons locker and get out of here.
Dah. Tuh, ambil senjata. Ambil dulu.
Apa weapon locker? Buat apa?
Oh, taruh lagi.
Oh, you noticed. Anyway, you can boost Jack's abilities if you find the right components. before you go see Jin, stop by the armory. They might have one you can borrow.
Oh, we will definitely be doing that.
Armory.
Good.
Armor.
Now I can get back to work.
What Damon means to say is that he has more important things to do.
Thank you, Iris.
Nih.
Gluttonous.
Apa nih?
Come on, guys.
Sini.
No worries. Do your thing.
Wah.
Cyborg.
Hey, Foz. How's life in Jin's rear echelon treating you?
Kayak film itu ya. Ada kan yang itu?
But then we can't all be off on some secret mission.
Kayak di film lah, Bang.
How'd you hear about that?
Kayak di film.
Inilah ada yang komen.
Yeah, okay. Well, look, we'll
Selamat
just leave it
pagi
as a very
semuanya.
word punching.
Yesus mati untuk mengampuni kita dari semua perbuatan salah. Dia bangkit hidup 3 hari kemudian. Ayahnya adalah Tuhan Sang Pencipta.
Del,
Amin.
Maybe a
No
stick.
komen ya. Kita kalau urusan agama
or a
kita no
stick
komen.
used to stir up shit.
Alright, fuck off.
Amin aja, Bang.
How about we make this interesting? You and me.
Kita hanya urusan game.
Right now.
And how exactly is beating you interesting?
Kalau agama urusan personal pribadi masing-masing ya.
Oh no.
You want in on this?
Pretty sure what's actually being measured here is gonna leave me at a
Crystal
distinct
bot.
disadvantage. Then again, maybe
Bot.
not.
Tapi bot tuh bahasa Indonesia ya.
Are you in or not?
Oh, I'm in.
Come on, man. Let's just grab the jack component and get
Skip
out.
kah?
Oh, this will be fun.
How's that fun working out for you?
Wah.
Try it again, Foz. Come on.
Ada kan yang filmnya
Here's
Jack
the thing.
Hackman.
About to spar with him, but not beat you. It's against their programming. But explain. It's false confidence.
Lu ngomong apa sih, Boy?
Admit, actually.
Berisik banget tau gak?
No, I'm good.
Jen does love her golden boys.
Kan double di situ.
long.
See, that was fun.
Kok marah? Kok kesel?
Alright, man. Now that Five's fun
Kenapa dia
time.
ngambek?
Can we go find that component?
Kena aja.
Gotta tell you, that cheap shot?
Go to the armory.
Chef's kiss, buddy. Chef's kiss.
Mana?
Mana?
Armor.
Borrow a component and upgrade Jack. Ah,
Let's borrow. Borrow. Steal. It's just a matter of duration.
upgrade. Ini yang mana sih yang di upgrade?
Wih. Wah, upgrade sih. Sini lagi dong. Tunggu, jangan ini.
Oh, tidak bisa. Bentar.
Kenapa komponen satu?
Komponennya satu doang.
Iya, nggak bisa.
Ini ada nih, repair bus.
Gotta say, loving the new Jack. Can't wait to test him out in the field.
Try to contain
Dah
your
ya?
excitement.
Ah,
I still
repair
have to
bus.
go to Jin's office.
Yeah.
Gimana, Bang?
It's probably had enough alone time with her. by
Sudah.
now.
Terus apa lagi? Report to First Minister Jin Office. Sana.
Okay. Come on, enough's enough. You gotta see
Sini.
something.
Kenapa nih yang perempuan nih pusing terus, Bang?
Will, I promise.
Lu ngapain ngurusin dia sih? Sini, masuk sini.
Let me be perfectly clear. When it comes to this
Berisik.
weapon,
Lu berisik, tau
I
gak?
don't share your optimism.
The
Berisik.
first time anyone's accused me of optimism.
Yes, well, I'll remind you your wife refused the idea of bringing the hammer back online. I would have thought you'd respect Anya's
Wah,
wishes.
I'm gonna pretend you
Buljuk.
didn't say that. For both our sakes.
Boljuk.
Anya would have wanted you,
You
to...
don't get to talk about her.
kalau
If
tidak
that's what you
membicarakan.
think, I won't argue.
I want Agus.
You and that goddamn fertility program.
A program that gave you your son
And
and
mine.
mine. I honor Anya. I loved
I
Anya.
love Anya.
I don't
Apa
care
ini
if you
istrinya ya?
When my program was in its infancy,
Okay.
she came to me. She volunteered. Both times she volunteered. Seeing First Minister Stroud undergo treatment. Do you know how many children are alive today thanks to her?
Terima kasih kepada dia. Thanks to her.
She should be buried here, you know,
Oh,
with the Allfathers. The people need her inspiration.
Skip gimana?
Your inspiration was my
was
wife.
my wife.
First Minister, Lieutenant Phoenix and his squad.
Jangan dong.
Jangan.
Hmm.
Enak banget lu ngerokok lu.
Send them in.
Jendelanya ya. Berapa tingginya itu?
I'm told you had a successful mission.
First Minister, I can explain.
By all means, explain when Damon Baird superseded me. Explain how launching a Hammer of Dawn satellite doesn't require my explicit approval.
Same page, huh?
Lieutenant, the Hammer of Dawn has taken more COG lives than most of the armies we've opposed. Your father knows this as well as anyone.
It's not the weapons I don't trust, First Minister. It's the people who use
Kenapa sih mereka bertengkar, Jar?
Gak tau.
Makanya nggak ngerti kan?
Skip aja.
Skip aja.
Oke. Apa yang terjadi ini?
We're getting close. Where do you
This
want
is
me to
war.
take?
Oh, perang nih. Perang.
Anything else from getting inside? You realize I'm the ranking officer
Oke,
here, right?
kita perang lagi guys.
Reinforced Carmine at the town hub.
Wih, kerennya.
believe we're back here.
We did our duty.
Wow,
You need to get over it.
Get over it, guys, not the time. Cole, let's see what we're dealing with.
Waduh,
Oh, shit!
Langsung ditutup lagi.
astaga malah kena.
Hang on a second!
Waduh. Ah, untunglah kita mendarat dengan baik. Ayo buruan.
Kok nggak loncat?
Sama-sama runtuh.
This is war.
This is war. Ini perang. Fokus ya, jangan berjauhan ya.
Yoi.
Gimana? Dapat
X1.
Keep an eye out for weapon. Battlefield. You can always send Jack to fight any. Jacknya orang yang ngendalin kok. Apa itu? Oh, kita yang di dalam, Jar.
Iya. Kita kan jatuh juga.
Apa ini? Oh, dia bawa bom tuh. Awas.
Head down here!
Oh, bisa nembak.
We got zombies up here! Shit, we got them down here too!
Aduh, meledak. Ya, is dead.
Gue ini yang gini bang.
Hah?
Beda bang.
Kenapa?
Beda.
Oh, berarti gini, abang bertahan lu.
Bisa.
Lu datangin abang sini.
Tapi ada
Boy,
musuh tuh.
boy, lu datangin papa, boy.
Gak bisa lah, harus bareng-bareng sama Fajar.
Oh, berarti abang harus bertahan sendiri ini ya? Waduh. Sisi peluru.
We got zombies up here! Shit, we
Mana
got
lagi?
them down here too! Better keep those skinny shits off us!
Waduh, cepet banget gerakannya. Nah, no.
Man, I hate these things.
Sip, tekan sip. Nyari lokasi papa.
Eddie! Oh! You guys all right?
Waduh, peluru habis.
We're not all right!
Oh, bisa cover dari atas.
Ayo buruan sini.
Cal, where are you? Hang on! We're coming as fast as we can!
Bisa apa?
Ah, ya, nice boy.
I know!
Lu di mana, Jar?
Di atas nih sih. Gak bisa kemana-mana. Cover dari atas.
Itu jangan sampai yang ada bom itu dekat.
Now would be a good time to get down here.
Oh, or now! Now would work too!
Boy, lu keluarin papa dari sini, boy.
Bisa.
Hah? Find the juice. Nah, itu tuh si Fajar tuh. Turun sini, Jar.
Gak bisa turun.
Lompat.
Oh, lompat nih. Kayaknya boy harus naik nih.
Udah di atas.
Ayo help me. Ayo itu, Jar. Itu ada kayu situ.
Gak bisa nah. Oh ini nih ada jalannya nih.
Ayo. Buruan.
Ayo, mati. Ayo.
Itu Jar ada jembatan, Jar. Dia malah bertengkar.
Ada ini maksud.
Sini. Kiri.
Bentar lewat sini. Lewat bawah. Gak bisa langsung. Mana?
Oh sana, ya masuk sana.
Banyak zombie loh. Alien.
Mau zombie.
Boss, how we doing?
Aduh, tolong, boy.
Fucking get off me!
Gimana? Yes.
That was the last one. Thanks. Get us out of here.
Akhirnya
Boss, get cold.
lepas, guys.
Thanks. Well, that sucks. Baird, look, our Raven's down. You patch us through to Carmine?
No can do, kid. His radio's out.
He's okay?
I can see him at the central hub, so he's up and fighting, but swarm's all over him. Hurry if you can.
Run our way. Come on, Delta. Let's get out of here.
Nah tuh ada komponen. Mau upgrade bisa.
Bentar.
Cuma satu. Gak ada yang bisa diaktif.
Satu doang ya? Gak bisa.
Di sini lagi.
Hub's farther than I hoped.
Ah itu kita ke tempat yang hijau sana tuh. Sini, woi. Pada ngapain di sana?
Papa di mana?
Tap.
Oh iya.
This
Eh,
way,
sip.
through here.
Lah aneh teleport
Nih.
ke sini.
Oh teman. Tunduk.
Baird, we got a swarm back at our location.
Godzilla.
I'll deploy Gamma units to take it out. Just get to Carmine.
We'll go. Right after we're done here.
Kenapa?
Bentar.
Someone take a look.
Waduh.
Boss, back up. Damn it. Room's clear.
All evac trucks, proceed immediately to the hub. No stopping.
Lizzie, Delta here. There's a swarm back in
Naik
the
sini,
settlement.
naik.
Keep your convoy away from it.
Delta, I was gonna do donuts around it.
Be advised, Corporal. They're faster than they look. Delta out.
Kemana sih jalannya? Sini. Ayo buruan.
Evac convoy.
Yeah. Lizzie's from the speed of it. The best driver we got.
Ayo tuh.
Problem is, yeah, she's oozing.
Harus apa dah?
Mana kita?
Sini nih
Let's
masuk.
through this building.
Everybody, stay back! They're coming in!
Hey, stand
Kawan
down.
woi, kawan.
Oh, shit, sorry, Lieutenant.
No harm, no foul.
What are you doing here?
Lost our DBs and we got civilians holed up in here.
Lizzie, Delta requesting civilian pickup. Sector 8, apartment complex.
Copy that, Delta. I'll circle back.
Thanks for that, Lieutenant.
No problem, Private. Come on, Delta.
You guys here to pick us up?
Ah, ini warga sipil.
Convoy's coming. Just hang on.
Pada peluru nih.
Careful out there, sir.
Roger that. Delta, let's go.
Gibson. Gitar Gibson dong. Gitarnya Slash.
Oh, lagi.
Kirain apa?
Terus mana?
Sini nih. Jendela.
Control, need backup.
Oh, itu monster
Have
tadi.
extra things about it. Never mind, Control.
Bagus. Itu cara yang mudah itu.
DBs, we gotta secure this street.
Wis.
Anjay.
Lizzie! Oh, man! You're crazy! What can we do to help?
Lewat kanan bang.
Just clear this street, Delta. Otherwise, we're stuck here.
All right, you
Cover.
heard her. Let's get to work.
Nih cover mereka nih dari atas.
We're assisting a stalled convoy. We might need reinforcements here.
Roger that, Delta. Diverting a convoy
Gimana,
over
gimana?
now.
Phoenix, for the last goddamn time, I'm the ranking officer, which means I call in the reinforcements.
Yes, sir. I will fix it.
Boy, lu jangan maju, boy. Ntar susah resetnya. Turun, Jar.
Turun kayu, maju ke bawah.
So this
Nah,
is
kan? Ayo, buruan. Si boy mati tuh.
Enggak.
Lay down your weapons.
No one wrecks my trucks. Only I get to wreck my trucks.
Blind shoot. Ah, mati kan?
Knock it off.
Attacking.
Keep on 'em. Don't let up.
Mati lu. Hah? Ada sniper di atas.
Oh shit!
Awas.
Scion!
Oh ini ada lasernya nih.
JD, your condor's close. What do you need?
Frag out.
Banyak nih.
Sorry, kid.
Waduh, ngeri.
Hope these help.
Thanks for that, Control.
Waduh. Ini gimana ini?
Aduh, kenapa sih?
Guardian, secure this street.
Ah,
Can't load
tolong.
civvies onto these trucks if there's
Boy,
no
tolong,
trucks
boy.
left.
Ada teman.
Oh, sudah.